purpose has been changed. Purpose given was industry. Now it is getting to settlement. सनद दिवचो ना म्हणून म्हाका एश्युरन्स दी पयलें कित्याक ना जाल्यार तुमीच कायदो हाडलो 2024 तुमीच कायदो मोडटा म्हणून सांग म्हाका. जुवारीच्या मोगान तुम्ही कायदो मोडटा, तुम्हीच केल्लो कायदो मोडटा म्हणून म्हाका सांग.
See, the amendment what we have brought into 2024, it is perspective.
No,
it is not retrospective.
No, you are the sanads which you haven't given are also perspective.
So that is
I know the law. Otherwise, law minister can give further this.
This amendment what we have brought doesn't imply as far as the Zuari is concerned.
So why?
No, because what is
why no?
This amendment stands from the day. No, this amendment stands from the day when this amendment was brought into force. Any land henceforth. That is the reason.
But now with the sanads which you haven't given, it is henceforth.
No, not question of this thing. I said any land which was given by the Comunidad after this.
Because sir, for 2024 ordinance पळय तूं तर कित्याक हा ओरिजिनल आफ्रामेंत कित्याक दिल्लो ते पर्पज तुज्यान चेंज करूंक जायना. तूं आतां म्हाका उडोवं नाका. तूं जुवारी खातीर दुसरो कायदो हाड की आमी जुवारीची लुटून दिले म्हणून तर खावंक दिले म्हणून जमीन कायदो हाड. इतलें उरलो आमी आतां एक कायदो करपाचो 50 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जुवारीक दिले म्हणून कायदो हाडा. तेच मेजॉरिटी आहा.
Sir, Zuari and my relation is now. So where is the question of?
No, I am asking you a specific question. You said 2 sanads are remaining because they have not paid each other. You give me assurance that those sanads will not be given.
No. See, as far as Zuari agrochemical is concerned, Zuari land has already been sold. And there is a sale deed. They are the owners of the land.
No. When you said, gave an answer here, and you said you are seeking the advice of Advocate General Silman Kuel Perez.
Yes.
Advice was taken and you went to another advocate.
Yes.
But that advice was not in your favor.
No.
Because you all wanted to give this land to Zuari.
Where is the question?
And you all wanted to sell it out. This is the biggest scam in modern Goan history.
Speaker sir, where is the question of?
सगळ्यात व्हडलो स्कॅम आहे. हातून गोंयचे टोटल जितले डेट आहा ते क्लियर जावपाचे 50 लाख कोटीचे स्कॅम आहे. सर
चीफ I'll take it.
50,000 कोटीचे स्कॅम 50,000 कोटीचे स्कॅम 33,000 का 36,000 डेट आहा.
स्कॅम म्हणून
आणि कायदे हाडटात जुवारीक जमीन विकपाक. कायदो कित्याक काडलो मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगतो म्हाका. कायदो दुसऱ्यांक लागता जुवारीक लागना.
कायदो हाडला व्हडले फ्युचरान जावचे न्हू म्हणून कायदो हाडलो.
तुम्हीच केलं काबार आणि मागीर कायदो हाडटा हे बरें मरे.
आमी
कोंकणी भाषा सगळ्यांक समजता. कायदो तुम्ही कितें हाडटा की आफ्रामेन जो दिल्लो फॉर दॅट पर्पज तो चेंज करूंक जायना. तुम्ही ताका चेंज करून सगळें दितात आणि मागीर कायदो हाडटा आनी प्रोस्पेक्टिव्ह म्हणून सांगता. खंयच्या तरेन प्रोस्पेक्टिव्ह? स्पीकर सर एक क्लियर कट मेजॉरिटीचो यूज करून कायदे हाडून गोंयचे इंटरेस्ट विकपाचे चालू आहा हावजान. हो म्हजो चार्ज डायरेक्ट.
स्पीकर सर तो जे चार्ज करता
डायरेक्ट चार्ज म्हजो.
स्पीकर
सर जायती एक्शन घे.
स्पीकर सर आम्ही कायदो आम्ही हाडला.
केन्ना हाडलो जमीन दिता तर
व्हडले जाला म्हणून
जमीन
हाडलो.
मागीर कायदो हाडटा. बरो आहा तूं.
स्पीकर सर हे अशा पद्धतीत चल्ला म्हणून आम्ही
अशा पद्धतीन चलयला बरे तुवेंच जुवारीचे स्कॅम कोणे केले?
दुवारीचो स्कॅम आमच्या सरकारान
जुवारीचो स्कॅम तुम्ही केलो.
And there is no question of scam here. There is a question of scam. You are the looks like the government is creating some scam.
मंत्र्यान म्हाका उत्तर दिला की आपूण एजी मऱ्यान वता. स्कॅम आहा म्हणून मंत्रीच म्हणटालो. आता तुम्ही नवेच नाटक पळयला तुम्ही नवेच म्हणटा.
अरे तो
मागीर
नाही नोविदाद शिकपाची आता ती ना इम्पॉर्टंट
सर पळय
स्पीकर सर we have taken opinion from senior advocate Manor Usgaonkar.
मनोहर उसगावकर खंय आसलो तेन्ना नटराजन म्हणून घेतला तुवें.
That is later on, but we have taken this thing from this thing.
Why you went to Zilman after that?
We have taken from Zilman also.
What did Zilman say?
What Zilman said?
I got the opinion.
No, I will give you the opinion.
So what does he say? What does he say? On the table of the house. On the table of the house. Zilman's opinion.
I will place the Zilman's opinion on the floor of the house.
Yes.
That is one thing. What I am trying to say.
And then we'll take it in the revenue demand.
Advocate Zilman has clearly mentioned that you cannot take the land back.
He has
said,
been on
listen to me,
record
listen,
that
let
the
me
land can be
complete.
taken back if you have the
Let me
will.
complete. He said you cannot. What he has said, you can acquire the land, and we cannot acquire the land.
Why?
He said to acquire the land. Land doesn't first of all belong to us. Land belongs to the
place the
Kumidar.
opinion-
Who has
you
not
place the
protected?
opinion on
Who
the
has
people
not
of the house.
protected the land? Is not we. Is not the government. Is the Kumidar should have protected their land.
Kumidar, you are the minister.
Kumidar basically has failed to protect this land of theirs.
Because sir, कोमुंदारीचे प्रश्न आम्ही कोणाक विचारा बघा रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर
आमकां इंटरप्रेट Komnidar is an independent body. Komnidar, it is important. Now all this illegal and all construction is concerned. It is not our job. It is their job. What we are trying to now clean. They have created a mess.
Here
It
you
is
have
not
clean
not us.
property. You have clean सारखे clean केलेच clean bold बोलचा इंटरेस्ट clean bold केला आता डिस्कशन दी आणि टेबल धावतो जन्माचे
I will leave the opinion of the. Yes, yes.